Hi, this is Adrienne from Supermetrics. Today, I'll walk you through how to set up the permissions you need to connect your Instagram Insights data to your reporting with Supermetrics. Before you begin, make sure your Instagram account is a creator or business account and that you have an active Facebook account with access to a Facebook page. If you're using the new Pages experience, you'll need full access to that page. You'll also need access to Facebook on desktop and Instagram on your phone to complete this process. Let's get started. You need to make sure you're connecting your Instagram account to a Facebook page that's been claimed. Facebook also uses the word connected to describe this. Open the Instagram app on your phone, and then open your account's profile page. In the top right, tap the three-line menu, and then tap Settings. Then tap Accounts. You'll find it near the bottom of the list. Scroll down and tap Sharing to Other Apps. Select Facebook, and then the Facebook page you've linked to this Instagram account. Once this is done, your Facebook page is claimed. For the next step, open a browser on a computer. Your account needs access to a Facebook page before it can connect to Instagram. To make sure it has the right access, log into Facebook Business Manager at business.facebook.com/settings with the account you want to use with Instagram Insights. In the Business Settings screen, select the user you want to give permission to. If you don't see them on the right-hand side of the screen, search for them by name. Check the user's permissions under Pages. Make sure they have Manage Page enabled. If they don't, toggle the setting on and click Save. If you don't want to give this level of permission to this user, you can give them the View Page Performance and Create Ads permissions instead. Next, open the Instagram profile you'd like to connect in the Instagram app on your phone. In the top right, tap the three-line icon and then tap Settings. After that, tap Creator. This might be called Business depending on your account type. Tap Connect to a Facebook page, and then select Connect Existing Page. Choose the page that the account has Manage Page Permissions for, the one we just looked at in Business Manager. Tap Done, and that's it for this step. Open facebook.com in your browser. Log in with the Facebook account connected to the Instagram creator or business profile, and then open its profile page. You'll see its management options on the left side of the screen. Scroll to the bottom of that menu and click Settings. Staying in the same menu, click Instagram. You'll see all your Instagram permissions displayed here. It should say that your account has Manage Page Permissions and is connected to your Instagram account. If everything looks good, you're ready to connect Instagram Insights to Supermetrics. Open your data destination, select Instagram Insights as your data source, and log in with the account we've set up. If you need any more help, visit support.supermetrics.com or drop us a message at support@supermetrics.com. As always, we're happy to help.